Hey guys, Sophia here, my great challenge. Today I am working on the front of the yard. It is Sunday. I'm going to show you what I did yesterday. Scott did this, by the way. He removed all of the ivy that was against the posts. And I did this. I did go to Hobby Lobby and found this little flag. I had the holder that I found on the trash. But I put the little flag and I cleaned out all of this, and then I did the entire gutter yesterday. So the property is looking pretty clean right now. We did all of this and all the way up to here, but there's still some leaves that need to be taken care of. So Scott cut out. All of the ivy was like all the way up here. It was getting on the side, on the driveway anyway, so it needed to be removed. And today I am doing the front, so I have to get all the leaves out, a couple of weeds here and there. Here's the front. I painted my star in white, and I have to cut down and pretty much almost to less than a foot, less than a foot, all of my bushes to prepare them for the winter. Remove all the leaves from the lawn. This is the stuff I removed from the back yesterday. Here are all our leaf bags. All of this got to be clean. And then this area here really has to be clean. I have to get the whole curb here clear of leaves so that the water can go through, otherwise we get ice dams. So I'm going to start by cutting all of my bushes. Now the bending over is exhausting, I'm telling Scott. You coming to help?
Yeah, for a little bit, I guess.
Okay. So for the hydrangeas, what I did is that I cut out. I didn't cut them in the last 2 years. I had a lot of dead branches. So what I'm doing is cutting right before the next knot, because these are going to be shoots. In fact, I was cutting in the middle, like here, for instance, right? Nothing. Well, you can't see that. If I was cutting right here where there's nothing, that probably would die eventually and only come out from this end here. So I'm cutting right here, so I have a knot here and then a knot there. So that's going to split this way next year, and I'll have bigger bushes. I didn't have a lot of flowers this year or the year before, but all of this is done. And now what we're going to do is pretty much bag all of this stuff under leaves and then worry about the curb. was a lot of work. We are wiped out. This is all the stuff for 2 days worth of work. And then the curb right here is somewhat clean. The rain will get the rest, but here's the front. And it's looking pretty good. It is clean, and this side it's clean too, so I'm happy. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.